boundaries are really important. When you're not used to standing up for yourself, not used to setting your own boundaries, it tends to be easier to just say yes to whatever it is because, you don't know how to set your own boundaries. You don't know how to say no. But if you don't outright say no and mean it, then a lot of times, whoever it is, could be anybody. Whoever it is, if they don't have the awareness to see that you're run dry, they just gonna keep sucking. Gonna keep sucking. Gonna keep sucking. And boy, it hurts when you get to 31, 32 years old and you've never really set boundaries ever. And suddenly, everything is extremely difficult. And everybody needs something. There's something everybody needs that they can't do for themselves. And you done been given everything you got for a really long time. And then you gave the last squeeze. And you can't even get up. That's freaky. You may think, oh, well, you can always give a little bit of something, but if you are psychologically and emotionally drained, that's a hard one. If you done gave the last squeeze, and you letting them squeeze you, by the way, the last squeeze is them squeezing it out of you. And all you can do is lay there, feeling absolutely exhausted. And you can't give anything anymore. And they know it. Because they see it. Then they see the exhaustion is real. Some people, though. Some people, they'll see you laying there, a pile of lump. And they'll be like, how come you ain't do this? How come you're not doing that? Some of them even feel like they have to yell at you to get you to do the thing. But boy, you done gave your last squeeze. And you can't even really talk back because you're so squeezed out. Just sitting there feeling bad that you can't give more. Let me tell you, that was rough. For a long time, I was around some people that they didn't really care how much I had to give. They wanted it anyway. Come on, I need it. I can't do this. Please. And get mad at you when you say no. Guess what? I don't fucking hang out with people like that anymore. It's wrong to be like that to somebody. It's not right. It's wrong. Strangely, or maybe fittingly, all that giving got me to where I felt like I couldn't ask anybody for anything. And so I just sat there and really sort of rotted on the inside. Just going without the help I needed because I couldn't tell anybody how much I was hurting. Going without what I wanted because I didn't feel like I deserved it. But yeah, I've known for a while now that I definitely deserved help. And I definitely deserved a lot more slack than I was given by a few of these particular people. I deserved help with the help I was trying to bring. But it was the kind of thing that they didn't feel like they could do. And so I had to step it up. I had to do it anyway. Because whatever it was, they couldn't do it for themselves, or they didn't want to. But damn it, somebody that doesn't see how much you're trying, somebody that has zero awareness of how much you give every day, if there's something they don't want to do, they're going to ask you. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. I ain't doing it. And you may even feel tempted to say sorry. I'm sorry I can't do it. I'm sorry I don't got it. I'm sorry. Nah. Fuck sorry. 'Cause I bet you if you're watching this, you probably didn't do anything wrong. And you probably got somebody on your ass telling you gotta give something you ain't got. Fuck it. The best way to start saying no to somebody is to just fucking say, nah. They'll be like, huh? Say it again. Nah. Sometimes. This works especially well a lot of times with somebody that wants to come up to your car window and talk to you, say something, ask you if you want something. Can you do something for me? Just shake your head. A lot of times they'll just walk on. And they'll be like, oh, blah, 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 blah. And you'll be like, start with a small shake. Or medium. This is a small shake. Medium shake. And then if they're like, oh, blah, 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 you go, hell no. I ain't giving what I ain't got. Ever again. It's not gonna fucking happen. You gotta have a little bit of awareness going on. You got to have a little bit of awareness going on, because if you don't got what they need, it's coming. It's just getting closer. You're going closer and closer and closer to that wall. And pretty soon, sooner or later or sooner, you're gonna go, bah! And then you're just gonna be a lump. You won't be able to do anything. It works out a lot better if you say no a lot more often. And then sometimes we got people around us that they really need to learn how to take no for an answer. Don't give everything you got unless it's for something you really want to do. But watch out. If you got other people that are needing something from you, you gotta have some awareness. How much am I giving? Do I really have that much to give? You can give and give and give until you turn blue in the face. And, if that's all you do, if all you do is give, one day, you're gonna turn blue in the face. And it's not gonna be nice. Don't feel bad about setting your own boundaries. They're yours. They're yours. Your boundaries. Don't feel bad about setting your boundaries. The only one that can let somebody through is you. And I'm telling you, don't do it all the time, because you deserve a good bit for you. I'm Corvin Lord Hayes. I'm gonna go give myself some coffee.